Hello children, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to discuss some practice questions based on number system and unitary method. So let's go ahead. Now we have some important questions based on unitary method. Let us see what they are. Here the price of 4 kg wheat is rupees 240. So what would be the price of half kg wheat? Well, I have solved this sum using two different methods. So let me show both of them to you. First one is known as unitary method. That is, first I would find the price of 1 kg of wheat and then I would find the price of half kg wheat. I have been given price of 4 kg wheat is 240. So price of 1 kg wheat would be 240 divided by 4, that is rupees 60. Now if price of 1 kg wheat is rupees 60, what would be the price of half kg wheat? Well, 60 divided by 2, that is equal to rupees 30. Hence the cost of half kg wheat is rupees 30. This method is known as unitary method because we are first trying to find the price of 1 kg wheat, that is per kg, that is 1 unit, and then we are trying to find the answer for whatever the question has been asked. So this method is known as unitary method. Now let's go ahead and see the next method. Now the second method is known as cross multiplication method. So let's see how it is done. Well, the price of 4 kg wheat equal to rupees 240. So price of half kg wheat would be, that is, whatever the price of the item asked, we directly consider that here. Half multiplied by 240, that is the price of 4 kg wheat, divided by the total weight of the wheat given there, that is 4. So half, the denominator part of half 2 is written below and 1 remains in the numerator. So 240 multiplied by 1 upon 4 multiplied by 2. Cancelling out 4 and 240 using the table of 4, we'll get 60 multiplied by 1 upon 2, that is 60 upon 2. So again dividing 60 by 2, that is 2 3s are 6. So price of half kg wheat is rupees 30. So children, you can use either of the method to solve the question, either unitary method or the cross multiplication method, whichever you find is easier. So let's move and look at the next question, please. Now let's see another question, children. 12 kg potatoes cost rupees 180. Find the cost of 2 kg potatoes. So here I am going to use the cross multiplication method. Cost of 12 kg potatoes equal to rupees 180. So cost of 2 kg potatoes would be 2 multiplying across with 180, that is rupees 180 multiplied by 2 divided by 12, that is equal to 18 2s are 36. So it would become 360 divided by 12, and we know that 12 3s are is 36. So 360 divided by 12 will be rupees 30. Hence cost of 2 kg potatoes is rupees 30. Moving to the next question, children. If a logboat travels 4 km in 1 hour, how far will it go in 5 hours? Well, distance travelled by logboat in 1 hour is 4 km. So, distance travelled by logboat in 5 hours, that is, the time is more. So, whenever we need to find more, what do? We multiply. So, 4 multiplied by 5 equal to 20 kilometer. Hence the logboat will travel 20 kilometer in 5 hours. Now the next question, children. If a motorboat can catch 110 kg fish in one round, how much would it be able to catch in 4 rounds? Well, 1 round and 4 round. That is, we need to find more. So what would we do? Quantity of fish caught in one round is 110 kg. So quantity of fish caught in 4 rounds will be 110 multiplied by 4. That is equal to 440 kg. Now let's move to the next question, children. If a box has 32 pens, how many pens will 14 such boxes have? Well, one box has 32. So 14 boxes means it would be more, isn't it? So more means what do we do? Well, yes, very good. We would multiply. So pens in one box is equal to 32. Pens in 14 boxes equal to 32 multiplied by 14. That is 448 pens. I have done the multiplication for you here. You can calculate and check your answer. Hence 14 boxes will have 448 pens. Moving to the next question, children. If the cost of 12 meter cloth is rupees 480, find the cost of 4 meter of cloth. Well, initially we have been given cost of 12 meter cloth and we have been asked to find the cost of 4 meter cloth. That is less than what has been given in the question. So, whenever we have to find something less, we divide. So, cost of 12 meter cloth is rupees 480. So, cost of 4 meter cloth is 480 multiplied by 4 divided by 12. That is using again the cross multiplication method. So 12 fours is 48. Cancelling out, we get 40 multiplied by 4, that is equal to rupees 160. So the cost of 4 meter cloth is rupees 160.
Children, to the last question of this part. If Shipra earns rupees 125 daily selling vegetables, how much will she earn in a week? Well, money she earns in one day is rupees 125, and we know that one week has 7 days. So, money she earns in 7 days equal to rupees 125 multiplied by 7. Whenever we have to find more, we multiply. That's equal to rupees 875, the calculation of which has been shown below. Hence, Shipra earns rupees 875 in 1 week. I hope all of you understood the topic well. Children, if you did like the video, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel, and also share the video with your friends. Bye. See you soon.